How to make relaxing music videos. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can make a relaxing music video on YouTube. So I'm over here on YouTube, so let me just search for it. Actually, let me open up an incognito tab, and in that I'll open YouTube so that I'm not logged in and no caches or anything like that. All the searches are going to be authentic. Okay, so over here, as you can see, I searched for relaxing music videos and we have a bunch of different music videos. And they're all relaxing music videos. And as you can see, the views on these videos are insane. 333 million views. Then we have 16 millions over here, 180 million over there. And we have live streams going on and 1.4K people are watching, 26 million. Like, as you can see, millions and millions of views. So how do we create this? So it's really simple, really easy. You're going to need three things. First, you're going to need a website where you can get these types of footages of different sceneries and stuff like that are like aesthetic. Number two, you're going to find a place where you can get royalty-free music. Number three, you're going to find a software with which you can compile them all together and make a nice video. Now, in this video, I'm going to tell you all three so that by the end of this video, you will know how to create a music video. So let's get started. I'm gonna close that up, and first things first, I'm gonna come over here onto this website called Pixabay. Over here, we're gonna find our footage. Now, we're gonna find free footages. We can also use other websites like Shutterstock, but on Shutterstock, the images aren't entirely free, so we can't really use them. So over here, I'm gonna use this one right here. Pixabay, we can find really good videos and high quality videos is at that. See, at 4K, 1080p HD and stuff like that. So this looks really cool. I think this would look really nice. Like, it's really slow. So actually, yeah, we're gonna go ahead and click on this. We're gonna download this one, and hopefully we can find others like this. So we're gonna go ahead and free download, and over here we're gonna download for 1080p. Click on download. There you go. Download that. Boom, it's downloaded. Now let me see if I can find some other ones as well that are like this. So we're gonna go back, hover your mouse over it, and we're gonna go with sunbeams. Yeah, so as you can see, we have a bunch of different other ones as well. So like this one, I really like this one. So let's go ahead and click over here. Or no, wait, let's see this one over here. And how does that look? Oh yeah, that looks really nice. We're gonna get that. What about this one? Should we add like an ocean one? Looks really nice with the bending and stuff. So we're gonna go with that, and we're gonna add like one more so that we know what we're doing. There we go. This one. Now we're gonna go ahead and download these. So 1080p, yeah, download. Gonna keep on downloading these. All right, free download, 1080p, download now. Download, and the final one, 1080p, download. All right, there we go. Okay, so now we have our video. We're done. We have our footage that we have our footage. Now what we can do is we can find some audio. So to find audio, you have a bunch of different options. So first, option number one, we have royalty-free music from Pixabay as well. Pixabay also offers you music that you can download for free. It's really nice. That's option number one. Option number two is YouTube audio library. They have a bunch of different audio over here, so they're copyright free, so you can use them as well. And option number three, that's option number two, but YouTube audio library. Then option number three, we have Epidemic Sounds. Now Epidemic Sounds is also a free platform where you can find different sounds. It's not completely free, but they do give you 30-day free trial. After that, they charge you money for it, but they have a really good library of amazing music, so I highly recommend Epidemic Sounds. So if you don't want to use it, or after 30 days, then you can use YouTube audio library and Pixabay music as well. So let's go ahead and find ourselves a nice soothing music or sound. So over here, I'm going to search for it, or search for filters. Actually, I'm going to go into moods, and I'm going to go with calm, apply that. Then I'm going to go into filters, and I'm going to go with genre, and I'm going to go with ambient. Yeah, I'm gonna go with apply. Okay, so now we have a bunch of different ones. So let's go with apply another one. Actually, yeah, I think that's good. Yeah, we're good. Let's go ahead and view it. Let me hear it. Okay, so I found a music over here that I really like. Let me, so that you guys can hear it and see for yourselves and hear for yourselves if it's good or not. I think it's pretty nice. Yeah, I think it's really nice. It has that vibe, it has that subtlety, and in the background we can even hear some animals and frogs and stuff like that because it's really nice, right? And since it is our video is located in trees, so I'm gonna use it. So this is Epidemic Sounds, as you can see. It's really good. I'm gonna download the full mix, right? And I'm just simply gonna go ahead and save it over here. All right, now we have our images. Now we have our footage. Now we have our music as well. Now let's go ahead and compile them together. So the software that I use is called Premiere Pro, and it's really nice. It's really easy to use it. All right. It's stupid error keeps popping up. I don't know how to fix that. Well, we'll go. It still works. So now you don't have to use Adobe Premiere Pro. You can use other softwares as well, like DaVinci Resolve or online softwares as well, like Coral or whatever. It's like, it's pretty nice. So let me just go ahead and create a new project, and I'm gonna call this one demo video. I'm gonna simply put both of my music and videos that I have. So I'm gonna download it over here. So this is the music that I wanted. Simply gonna put it over here. And where is my video that I had? I think it downloaded over here. Here we go. Yeah. So I'm gonna copy these, select these, then just simply put them over here. There we go. Now we have our images. Now I'm just simply gonna put them over here. Right, boom, that's it. All right, and I think they have a sound as well. Let me hear it. Yeah, they have some audio with them, so we don't want that. So we'll just unlink them, right? And we'll remove the audio. And now we'll put our own audio as over here. Well, I guess it's a little too much, but we'll delete that because, yeah, there we go. Now I just, audio gain, I just lower it down a little bit because so that it's a little bit more relaxing. Yeah, I think it looks nice. And now what we can do now, let me just add a bunch of different effects like this one, dip to black, put them in the front. All right, I'll just copy them and put it over here, put it over here, see if it's done or not. Oh no, it's all the way over there, over here. There we go. Slide this one as well. I'll put it in the middle over here. Right now it'll open up like this. Looks really nice, and I'll even add like a fade for the sound as well, constant gain. So yeah, that looks really nice, and then I put it at the end as well. I mean, there's no sound, but still. So once you've edited, so this is how it will look like when the transition changes. Yeah, it's really nice, You can add like a bunch of text as well if you want to make it different or spice it up or whatever. It all depends on you. And this way you can gather like a bunch of different footages and clips, add a like really nice music, and maybe like make this an entire 10-minute long video or even like an hour long video. It all depends on you. So once you've made the video, then you just simply export it. Right, I'm just simply gonna go ahead and export it. Over here, I'm just simply gonna put it in the gems folder right here. I'm simply gonna export it. All right, so as you can see, the video has been exported. Now what we'll do, just go ahead and find it real quick. Here we go. Well, it's exported now. Now what we'll do is we can go over to YouTube and upload it. So what to upload it, just simply click on this button over here, click on upload video, and just add in your title and the video itself, like maybe like add a little bit of thumbnails or whatever. It all depends on you. Next, just simply select the file, locate the file over here. This is the file. Wait a couple of seconds, it's dragging. Boom. Just add a nice title, add a good description like a thumbnail, and then when it's done uploading, just click on next and you're good to go. So thank you guys for watching, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. And if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications. And having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.